Aaron, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Well, I don't know if our sales went up.
We had a good time today. Did we have a good time? Did we have a good time?
Oh, done?
Did we have a good time? Did we have a good time?
Yeah. Very little.
Hey, did we Hey there. Did we have fun? He likes it when like this. We have a good
that's
time.
what I mean. We see it. I mean, we have to look at the sales.
Did
I
we have fun?
haven't compared
You
it.
finished
It
laughing?
seems like we're making more sales, so it should help.
Finished.
Anyway.
Done. We're going to take a bed.
All right, I'm going to speak to you later.
Aaron, you have to come in here. Stop this giving him a hi. Under the neck. And under your feet.
Ai, bebê, gostou? Você tá
And the
gostoso?
tuchus.
It's good in there?
Wash your hands. Ooh. Ooh. Look at him. The king takes a bath. This is like Paro. He's sitting on his throne.
Very comfortable over
He's sitting on his throne taking a bath.
And people are watching.
That's so funny. That's so funny.
This is what Adriana did.
That's so funny. That's so funny. Are you having a good time? Everybody's laughing and you are making fun of you. Everybody's laughing and making fun of you. But you having a good time? You having a good time?
Oh, you gotta clean between your fingers because Daddy says you have dirty fingers.
Between his thumbs.
He holds his thumb like this.
Yeah.